Hey guys! Welcome back! So a few weeks ago, nilaunch ni Infinix yung kauna-unahang gaming phone nila, which is the Infinix GT10 Pro. Wala pa yan dito sa atin. Pero ngayon, may bago na naman kayong aabangan. Kasi this time, camera naman yung focus nila with the upcoming Infinix Zero 35G. If you are interested, then watch this video till the end kasi yan yung pag-uusapan natin. Before we begin, if you are someone that loves unboxing videos, tutorials, and informative videos like this one, please consider subscribing kasi nag-upload ako ng mga exciting and helpful videos regularly. Okay, so unahin nating pag-usapan yung design. Meron ng available na promo video kung saan showcase nila yung actual design ng phone. And I've taken screenshots and clips para maipakita ko sa inyo yung mga buttons and ports. Sa top part, we have a speaker grill and a microphone. Sa right side naman, we have the volume rockers and power button. Sa bottom, nandyan yung SIM card tray, another microphone, a Type-C charging port, and a speaker grill. Finally, our left side is completely clean with no buttons or ports. We have two color options. First is the Golden R variant na may glass back and gradient design. And second is the Rome Green variant na vegan leather naman yung finish. Yung device na to will also be IP53 rated. Kaya dust and splash resistant na rin siya. The phone will only be 7.9mm thick. And according to Infinix, this will be the slimmest phone in this price segment. So, bukod sa premium feel, it's also easy to grip. Okay, next is the display. We have a 6.78-inch FHD Plus curved AMOLED screen with a 144Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch response. It will also have a very bright screen with a 950 peak brightness. Plus, you don't need to worry that much kung sakaling mabagsak mo siya kasi Gorilla Glass 5 na yung ginamit. So, to sum it up, you will be getting a premium looking huge display with a high refresh rate and touch sampling rate. Plus, it is really bright and tough to crack. Up next is the storage, processor, and battery. This phone comes with 12 gigs of RAM na pwede mo pang dagdagan ng 9 extra gigs of virtual RAM that makes it 21 gigs in total. Meron din siyang 256 gigs of storage and an expandable card slot kaya hindi ka mabibitin. For the chipset, we have a Dimensity 8020 chip na bukod sa high refresh rates when gaming, capable din siya ng 4K HDR video recording. Wala pang official na Antutu score yung phone na to. Pero base sa chipset na meron siya, I would say na it would be at around 650 to 750K. For the battery, meron siyang 5,000 mAh capacity and 68W charging. Okay, now let's talk about the camera. At the back, we have a triple camera setup. 108MP main cam, a 13MP ultra wide, and a 2MP depth sensor. It can shoot stable 4K videos at 60fps thanks to its built-in OIS. Sa harap naman, we have a 50MP selfie cam. Capable din yan of 4K selfie videos at 60fps. Saktong-sakto to sa mga mahilig gumawa ng Reels, Shorts, and TikTok videos. Finally, let's talk about the price and availability. This device will be available for pre-order this September 2 via Flipkart sa India. May estimated price na siya na less than 25,000 rupees. Pag kinonvert mo yun sa pera natin, it will cost you around 17,000 pesos. Personally, I think that's a really good deal considering the chipset, camera, and design. Pero we still have to wait dun sa official price niya dito sa atin pagka na-release na siya. I know na sobrang nakakasabik maghintay ng mga phone releases. Nandyan yung POVA 5 Pro, Infinix GT10 Pro, and itong bago na Infinix Zero 35G na dumating dito. So, you can follow our Facebook page para lagi kayong updated sa mga tech news saka releases. Maglalagay rin ako ng link sa description box kung saan nyo siya pwedeng mabili once available na siya. Nandyan din lahat yung articles saka mga references if you want to read more about the phone. So that's the end of the video and I hope you guys liked it. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.